If you are searching for versatile little magnets, Min-C mini disc magnets for whiteboards are a great choice. These small, round magnets are strong. They are made from rare earth neodymium. This makes them much more powerful than typical magnets. They can hold up many papers easily. You can use them on whiteboards. They work well on refrigerators. Moreover, they are perfect for lockers. You will find them useful for crafts too. In addition, these magnets are tiny discs. They blend in well. They will not clutter your space. I found these Min-C mini disc magnets for whiteboards surprisingly useful. For instance, I use them on my whiteboard. They hold up my to-do lists. Also, they keep my kids' artwork on the fridge. The grip is really secure. Even though they are small, they are mighty. Consequently, they are easy to handle. But their small size means they are discreet. They do not block the view. Furthermore, these magnets are perfect for DIY projects. Therefore, you can use them for many things. They are a real upgrade from flimsy magnets. Overall, Min-C mini disc magnets for whiteboards are a fantastic buy. They come in a pack of 100. This is a lot of magnets. Therefore, you will have plenty for all your needs. They are reliable and strong. Despite their size, they perform beautifully. So, if you need small, powerful magnets, consider these. They are a valuable addition to any home. Pros: small, but very strong, perfect for displaying cards, very useful, fun to use, ridiculously strong for size, works great for papers on the fridge, strongest I have used, fast shipping, fair price. Perfect for projects, unbelievably strong, great for curtain tiebacks. Cons: more expensive than other magnets, wish they were less expensive, not recommended for children or pets, smaller than I expected, to small features. 100 pieces included, strong rare earth type, neodymium material, small and round shape, mini size discs, for refrigerators, good for whiteboards, useful for lockers, ideal for crafts. Works on cabinets. These small, round magnets are made from strong neodymium, a type of rare earth magnet. You get 100 mini disc-shaped magnets that are great for holding things on your refrigerator, whiteboard, locker, or cabinets. And they're also good for various craft projects. These Min-C 100 pieces strong round small rare earth magnets are praised for their impressive strength despite their small size, making them ideal for holding papers on a fridge, displaying cards, or for various craft projects and curtain tiebacks. While users found them very useful and fun, some noted they were smaller than expected and wished they were less expensive. It's important to remember these magnets are not recommended for children or pets.